My name is Franki.
My name's Ashley, and we chose Mayflower Construction Group to renovate our bathroom. So we moved into this house about a year and a half ago, and the first thing we really didn't like about this house was our bathroom and our master room.
It was looked like something out of like the 80s, full tiles everywhere. The whole thing is very dark and dim. Shower's kind of like a gym shower.
We had looked at a few different companies, and they seemed to have a lot of great reviews, and they seemed to be very competitive in price and very transparent on their website. So we were very interested in working with them.
We were able to get pretty much the design done in less than a day. They help us pick out the materials and each item every step of the way. And even though we had to adjust stuff later, they're very quick and easy to accommodate with it.
I really enjoyed that it was a fast process, and they had a very quick turnaround time in terms of signing the contract to actually getting to start work. During construction, it was pretty simple. They didn't bother us too much unless they needed to. We were able to continue working from home, which was great. So overall, it was a pretty good experience. I'd say it meets our expectations. We were looking for something sleek and simple, and that's what we got. We got exactly what we asked for, which sometimes it's not always true because you run into unexpected issues, but they worked with us, and we got everything on our checklist.
Definitely the shower.
Yeah, the shower is really nice. We like our niche, and
The seat.
The seat is very nice. Mm-hmm. Yes, we would recommend Mayflower for everybody to do remodels. They were very professional, very quick, and a great price.